How to fix MS Windows Store PurgeCaches. The app didn't start. Error on Windows. 1. Make Windows License Manager service run manually. 2. Run Windows Store troubleshooter. And run $manifest equals, getapps package Microsoft.Windows Store, .install location. Plus \apps manifest.xml. Apps package disable development mode register $manifest command in PowerShell as admin, later. 3. Re-register store apps. Command, getapps package search for each apps package disable development mode register $_install location, \apps manifest.xml. 4. Reset permissions of Windows apps. Folder at /program files \Windows apps with some ownership taking tool. And run getapps package for each apps package disable development mode register $_install location, \apps manifest.xml command in PowerShell as admin, later. Plan B, run /program whitespace files \Windows apps /reset /t/c command as administration 5. Check app package. Registry permission at computer /HT_current_user /software /classes /local settings /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /app model /repository /packages in registry editor. 6. Update or roll back your OS. 7. Create new account. 8. Run scconfig license manager start equals demand command as admin. 9. Run /program whitespace files \Windows apps /reset /t/c/q command as admin. 10. Reset restore reinstall your Windows.